Hello my dear students, hoping you all to be fine. So students, in our previous video we already discussed about group 13, 14 and 15. So today we'll discuss about group 16 of P block elements. Okay, so let's start. Now, elements of 16th group, oxygen family. So the member of oxygen family are present in ores of many metals, sulfide and oxides ores, so they are also termed as chalcogens or ore forming elements. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium. Okay. Now, polonium is a radioactive element which has a very short life period. The general electronic configuration of oxygen family members are Ns2 and P4. All these elements contain 6 electrons in the outermost shell. General electronic configuration is Ns2 and P4. Okay. Now, oxygen shows oxidation state of -2. In its compounds, there are a few exceptions in which the oxidation state of oxygen is other than -2. For example, oxygen state of oxygen is F2O is +2, while in H2O2 it is -1. Okay. Now, physical properties. So, in physical properties, we have non-metallic nature. So on moving down the group, non-metallic nature decreases and metallic nature increases. Oxygen, sulfur and selenium are non-metals. Tellurium is metalloids and polonium is radioactive metal. Okay. Now in physical state, except oxygen, all elements are solid. Melting and boiling point. Down the group, the melting and boiling point increases because of increase in metallic character. Atomic and ionic radius. Down the group, atomic and ionic radius increases because of extra shell is introduced. Density. Down the group, density increases because of increase in metallic nature. Ionization energy. Down the group, ionization energy decreases because of increase in atomic radius. Now electronegativity. So electronegativity, down the group, electronegativity decreases. And electron affinity. So down the group, electron affinity decreases. Atomicity. Oxygen is a diatomic molecule because there is p-pi bonding between both oxygen atom for double bond. So for other member of this group are polyatomic because they do not form p-pi bond. Sulfur and selenium contain 8 atoms each in its molecule. Okay. Now allotropy. So all members of group 16 shows allotropy. Oxygen has 2 allotropic forms as O2 and O3, that is ozone. Sulfur exists in many allotropic forms such as rhombic or alpha sulfur or monocyclic or beta sulfur. Okay. Now let's know about the chemical properties. So in that oxygen and sulfur are very reactive. Reactivity decreases down the group. Okay. Now bond length. Down the group, bond angle decreases. Boiling point of hydride. All the hydrides are volatile. The volatility increases from water to H2S. From H2O to H2S, and then decreases. Water has highest boiling point and lowest volatile nature because of its ability to form hydrogen bonding. Acidic nature. Down the group, the acidic nature increases. Thermal stability. Down the group, thermal stability decreases. Reducing property. Down the group, reducing property increases, but H2O does not show reducing nature. Okay. Now, formation of halides. Okay, halides are sulfur tetrafluoride, sulfur hexafluoride. It is used in formation. Chlorinating for organic or inorganic component. Okay. Organic or inorganic compound. Okay. Now it is colorless, odorless gas. It is chemically inert. It is used as insulators in high voltage generator and switch gear. Okay. Now formation of oxide. A monoxide. All members except selenium forms monoxide. And dioxide. All members of this group forms dioxide. Okay. Other oxides. Now let's see about the anomalous behavior of oxygen. So anomalous behavior of oxygen is due to following parts. Due to small size of atom, high ionization and electronegativity value, absence of d orbital in the valence shell. Okay, now methods of preparation. Okay, so from water, pure water is bad conductor of electricity. If a small quantity of dilute H2SO4 and dilute HCl is added, then it shows electrical conductivity. This water electrolysis between platinum electrodes gives oxygen at anode. Okay, so this is by this method we can produce oxygen. Okay, oxygen is also formed when a mixture of chlorine gas steam is passed over hot pumice. Okay, from sulfuric or nitric acid, from bleaching powder. So these are the methods. Physical properties of oxygen. Oxygen is colorless, odorless, tasteless gas. It is non-combustible but supports combustion. It is slightly heavier than air. Its vapor density is vapor density of this is 16 and vapor density of air is 14.5. Okay, it is slightly soluble in water. Okay, so that's all for today, students. Next portion we'll discuss in our next video. Thank you.